Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. I'm a local realtor inside Northern Virginia. Welcome back to this time's monthly market update of May. Enjoy. As always, there's some good news and there's some bad news inside the housing market. We're gonna start with the bad news because everyone always asks for the bad news first. The great deceleration. That's what we're calling the housing market now. Today we're gonna be talking about whether it's something you guys need to worry about and where the market is going from here. So, there are a couple reasons why we're calling it the great deceleration. And chief among those reasons is simple economics. Currently, the year-over-year increase in housing prices is about 20% nationally. And with wage growth at only 5%, that margin cannot stay that wide sustainably, or else a couple years down the line, no one's gonna be able to buy houses. So this is gonna force a correction in the market no matter what. Now, along with this, we also have rising mortgage rates. Now, mortgage rates used to be around 2.9 to 3% during the height of COVID. They're currently around 5.1 to 5.25%. And what does that mean realistically? Let's say you go and refinance your home right now. On average, the median price home in America will cost 48% more to refinance than it did exactly 1 year ago. So, in money terms, that looks like $748 more on your monthly payment than it did 1 year ago if you buy a median priced house in the United States of America. And because of this, mortgage applications have dropped over 16% in these last 3 months, which is a direct correlation between the higher interest rates, the higher mortgage costs, the higher housing prices, and it really shows that it's just pricing buyers out. Here locally in the Nova area, especially around Fairfax County, home prices have only risen about 13.8%, around 14%, and mortgage rates have only increased about $400 a month. Now, for all the doom and gloom that we just shared, and a lot of sentiment that the media is spreading out saying that a great recession is coming, the housing market is going to fall and crash, none of that is really true. And we're really just going to look at the data here. So, in this first chart that we can see right here, mortgage rates have leveled off. And this is really good news because a lot of people thought with increasing interest rates periodically, mortgage rates will just keep on going up and up. But it has seemed that the mortgage rates have baked in all the increase in interest rates for the foreseeable future. And that's why you can see mortgage rates have actually leveled off and started dropping from 5.25 to about 5.1%. So, very good news. Now, for that next reason, the most discernible way to tell a slowing market is the number of sales. That's the most obvious way. And as we can see, this month compared to last year, sales are way down at 5.6 million sales this month in April. So, as you can see, it's a big drop from $6.1 million in sales last year in 2021. But of course, this is the most discernible way to tell a slowing market. Now, why shouldn't we worry? Sales in Virginia, or especially Nova, are actually up 5.8% from last month. So sales are increasing. The average sell to list price is still above 100% at about 101% in Fairfax County. And these are all signs that the market is not going anywhere anytime soon. As we can see in Virginia, the new purchase contract and new listing ratio is up actually from last week or last month to 0.9. For new weekly listings, again, the data is looking very normal. Nothing abnormal about it. And as we can see in the number of new closed listings in Virginia, there's no major fallout for 2022. The pattern is primarily very closely following 2021 and 2020. Now, the only major decline we see is in weekly showing activity. And as we can see in this chart, weekly showings have gone down a lot. But of course, this is just due to the fact that the housing market is slowing down. And this is probably the number one indicator and the only indicator that we see off of these charts that really shows that the housing market is starting to slow down. So overall, what is this month of real estate telling us in Northern Virginia and the surrounding Virginia area? The market is not going to crash. The market is not going to go crazy hotter. The market is slowly slowing down, not by a lot, but it's going to be here for a long time. And that is going to conclude the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe below, leave a comment. And my contact information is below. If you want to contact me, reach out. I'll be happy to help you guys. Again, I'm a local realtor in Northern Virginia. Please reach out. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you so much.